gotta have a seafood boil, especially if you live near the water and you get the seafood locally like I do. But if you don't, you could hit like a roadshow at Costco, pick up whatever you want. I just want to give a quick shout out to two of my favorite customers, Maria and Will. Thank you so much. They brought me hand-stuffed sausage from Astoria. They didn't even know I was having a seafood boil. And sausage is definitely one of the ingredients that we're gonna put in this seafood boil tonight. So stick around, follow what we're doing here, and enjoy the show.